In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a search bar to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add a search bar. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, look for the search box element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to view the full list of available elements. Drag the search box element onto your page where you want it to appear. You can place it in your header, sidebar, or any other section of your website. Click the search bar to customize its appearance. Depending on your theme, you may be able to adjust options such as the size, placeholder text, and styling to match your website's design. Preview your website to make sure the search bar appears and works correctly. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add a search bar to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.